Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Masterwords English.
Hi, everyone. It's great to see you again. Today, we're going to practice talking about yesterday in English.
Yes, when we talk about yesterday, we use the past simple tense.
Exactly. So instead of I wake up, we say I woke up.
Instead of I go to work, we say I went to work.
Easy, right? So, Sarah, what did you do yesterday?
Well, yesterday I woke up around 7 a.m., but I didn't get up immediately. I stayed in bed for a few minutes and checked my phone. Then I finally got up, brushed my teeth, and took a shower.
Sounds relaxing. What did you have for breakfast?
I made a cup of coffee and ate some toast with eggs. After breakfast, I watered my plants and left home around 8:30.
Nice. Yesterday, I woke up at 6:30. I drank a glass of water and did a few stretching exercises. Then I prepared my breakfast, just bread and tea.
Did you go to work after that?
Yes, I went to work at 9 a.m. I took the bus because my car wasn't working.
Yesterday at work, I taught 2 English classes and recorded a new video for our channel. In the afternoon, I edited a lesson and replied to students' messages.
Wow, busy day. I designed posters and attended 2 online meetings. After lunch, I worked on a new presentation for a client.
What time did you finish work?
I finished around 5 p.m. Then I went to a supermarket and bought some vegetables.
Yesterday evening, I did some yoga, and then I cooked pasta for dinner. After dinner, I watched a movie on Netflix.
Oh, nice. What movie did you watch?
I watched a comedy movie. It was really funny. What about you?
I ate dinner with my wife, and then we watched a documentary. After that, I read a book and finally went to bed around 11 p.m.
So everyone, when you talk about yesterday, don't forget to use past simple tense.
Use regular verbs like worked, watched, visited, and irregular verbs like went, ate, did.
Yes, and remember, use did for questions and negatives. Did you go to school yesterday? I didn't watch TV.
Tell us in the comments, what did you do yesterday? Use sentences like, yesterday I woke up at 6. I went to school. I played games in the evening.
Don't be shy. Practice makes progress.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Master Words English.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.